Duthoo is a specialist in supplying industrial wood coatings and architectural wood coatings. To ensure their continued growth, Duthoo has now moved to new premises close to Kortrijk. The modern aluminium louvre DucoSun Cubic Design gives the office building a unique character. The architectural sun protection system is characterized by design, contemporary appearance, and durability. Despite its slender shape, the structural solar shading system can handle very high spans. As an option, LED strips can be integrated into the aluminium profile to provide additional dynamism. A combination of slats with different depths is possible. The aluminium louvre provides an optimal balance, maximum sunlight, and minimum heat. The louvres can be fixed via side plates on the end face or via hidden fixings in the back. In the future, a movable arrangement will also be possible, with blinds that can be rotated up to 360 degrees, so that you can always adjust the blinds to the needs of the moment. The system can be manufactured to any length. The maximum length of the slat depends on the project-specific parameters, but 6 meters is no exception.